Yeah. Let's find some people to honk at.
I'm born in that big ass branch.
Kenyon, brother.
Here we go, brother.
Hey, brother.
That horse like, what the fuck? That lady didn't like it. She didn't even look. She's like this.
Aww.
You're honking your horn.
Here we go. Whatever this fucking thing is.
Fire truck.
Fire truck.
Gotcha.
Oh!
Got him anyways. He thought he was going to get behind me.
Oh, yes!
Yeah.
Yes! You gotta get him a double tap here.
Price check, double tap. Ready? Hey, what's up?
Do it again. You missed it!
Oh, I forgot to. My bad. I'm gloating over my past victories.
Yeah. That was a good one though. I wish we had more
We got
construction
more.
workers to fuck with.
We'll find some fucking person. I'll do a little drive around. This shit's fun. You're about to get porn honky.
Porn honked.
Ah!
Remember Adam's website, Stiffmaster?
No.
Give these people one.
That was his website?
Here you go, another one.
Okay. Ready?
Jumped. That little guy goes.
I think it would be just crashed.
Woo!
Poor old man. There we go.
Got him!
Popo's up here.
Yeah, the cops like after us, man.
Goddamn fork.
Over here honking your. Oh, that would be a great one, dude. If we could honk at this guy, but that'd be a little sketchy.